What's up people, this is Anushree here at Nush Blush, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to get this look right here for New Year's Eve. I love this makeup look. It is so pretty, it is so glittery. I love the bold lip. It's not something I usually gravitate towards, but I'm really digging this look. So if you want to know how to get this New Year's makeup look, then please keep watching. If you like these kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and also give this video a big thumbs up. Let's do this. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the lips first because I know what lipstick I want to do, but I'm still gonna be winging it for the eyes. So I'm gonna start off with lining my lips with the Colourpop lip liner in Berry Rose. Now that I look crazy, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Lipstick in the shade Artist 120. And ever since I got this lip color, I was like, I have to use it. It is so different from what I have. And this shade is just, ugh. Oh my god, look at that lip shade. It is amazing. I mean, I like this look already. All I want to do is like put on some mascara and be done with, but that's not what I'm gonna do. I want to throw on some glitter. But yeah, I really love this shade. Do you not? It is so pretty. I mean, it's very out of my comfort zone. If you've seen me, I always wear nudes, like nude lipstick and pinks and mauves and stuff, but this is very out of my comfort zone and I love it. I love it, absolutely love it. So I'm gonna go in with an eyeshadow. This is the Shayla X Colourpop Perception palette, and I wanna actually go in with a shade, shimmery shade, which is closest to the glitter so it can have something to adhere to. So I think I'm gonna go in with, I'm just gonna go in with the shade here. It's called Spill the Tea. I'm just gonna put that shade all over my lid. Oh wow, this is pretty. This is so editorial in itself, like the eyeshadow and the lips and nothing else. I'm going to be using two glitters today. One of them is the Makeup Studio Glimmer Effect in brown. What is this? Brown Diamond. It's such a beautiful shade. I use it on a lot of my brides because it's just amazing. And the second one is by Color Essence. It's like a shimmer. It's not like packed glitter. It's like a loose shimmer highlighter. And I don't know what shade this is in exactly. But this is like, this has like a coppery tinge to it. Like a pinkish coppery. Similar to the hue that I have on my eye at the moment, but I'm gonna mix these two. I feel like it'll give me a really nice effect. So I don't know if you can tell, but I've put mixed my glitter onto a palette. To ensure that the glitter actually sticks on my eyelids, I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution glitter glue. I'm just gonna take that on the back of my hand and just press that on my entire lid because I do want the glitter on my entire lid and then some. I'm just gonna save the rest of my makeup from the glitter because I've already done my base. Then I'm just gonna take a little bit on my finger, like the glitter particles. Ooh, look at that. Just gonna take that and spread that all over my eyes. Oh my dear god, that looks so beautiful. Can't see. But this looks so pretty. Oh wow, this looks stunning. I mean, I don't know how it looks on camera, but in real life it looks stunning. I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm not going to be putting a crease shade or anything. I just want to leave it like that. It just looks so delicious. I don't know if that's a word I can use. Delicious. I'm going to take the shade Spill the Tea again, and on the same brush, I'm just going to put that under my lash line and my lower lash line. Ow, just poked myself. I'm also going to take the shade TF right here on a denser pencil brush, and I'm just going to put that in my lower lash line as well. I don't know if you can tell, but I really like how the glitter looks. So pretty, absolutely beautiful. So what I'm gonna do next is actually just put a little bit of black gel liner very close to my waterline. Now that I have all that done, I'm gonna curl my lashes, put on some mascara, and I am gonna put on some false lashes as well, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that is the finished look. I am so excited and so happy about this look. It is so pretty, it is so glittery, like it is so simple also, and I don't know if the camera is doing justice to the glitter, but it is absolutely stunning and I love it. I even want to put a little bit of glitter underneath my eye. I'm very tempted to do so. Maybe I will. Actually no, I should stop here. I'm just gonna highlight my inner corner with the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Champagne Pop, and I just want to slightly pop that in there. Love it. Love it. Just going over on my eyebrows as well, just to complete the look a little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you like a close-up. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and this tutorial. I had fun creating it. I think I love this look a lot. Let me know what you thought of this look in the comments down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next year. Bye.